Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at the OneUI 6.1 port version 8 for our Galaxy S7, the S7 Edge, the Note 7 and the Note FE. So without wasting any more time, let's take a good look at it this one. So guys, this is the version 8 of the S22 Ultra Android 14 port, and this is OneUI 6.1. So let's first check that into settings. The settings UI basic, about phone, software info. You can see OneUI version 6.1, Android 14, and we have March 2025 security patch. As you can see, this is also the Android 14 Easter egg. Let's check out the main part, which is the new changes for which the version 8 video has been made right now. So we have a list here on the screen that has all the new changes, bug fixes, or some transitions to base updates, security updates, all the things you can see on the screen. And also let's follow one by one, check out if they works or not, and whatever we can see on the user side. Like there are some core stuff as well that we cannot check obviously, but you can experience that while you use the device, so that you can experience on your own. But let's see all the overview course, the basic stuff which we can experience right now, and I can show you guys right now that it works or not. So the first thing is Samsung screen recorder has been fixed. So let's say if there is a toggle to enable screen recording. Yes, here it is. This is a screen recorder, Samsung screen recorder. And okay, let's just start recording. You can see it's a timer, and now it will start recording. And let's do some actions. A bit lagginess when you click somewhere on the Samsung screen recorder while it's on. So the recording says saved. Let's move to gallery. So as you can see guys, the Samsung screen recording is working fine, and it is recording your screen now. So yeah, this you can confirm that it is fixed. Then we have VoLTE and VoWiFi fix. So right now I have put a SIM card to test, and as you can see VoLTE works fine. I have a Geo SIM card, Indian Geo SIM card, and it works fine. VoWiFi maybe because the Wi-Fi signal is too low to check that, but I'll attach a screenshot if I get the VoWiFi icon, and I have it enabled. So there's an option here, as you can see, connections, and here we have Wi-Fi calling, and you can see calling preference, Wi-Fi preferred. So you can make calls over Wi-Fi if the signal is low, but obviously you need a strong Wi-Fi maybe. So yeah, right now it's not available, or maybe Wi-Fi is not available right now, but I'll share a screenshot. And next, let's take a look at fix the status bar not being close to the side of the screen. So you can also check that the status bar is pretty close to the screen, and this might be the padding fix. The status bar might have left some spaces, so the padding might have been a bit more than expected, but right now it is perfectly fine and right towards the edges. And then we can also check out some games having issue that you can check. Soft reboot in Wi-Fi's, public Wi-Fi's, USB tethering. Okay, this is okay. And SELinux is also enforcing right now. You can also check that in settings. Getting down here inside security and privacy, and somewhere here you can check. It's not letting me check. Let's go app security, updates, more privacy settings. It could be mentioned somewhere because there is an option in AOSP where you can check that, but maybe here we cannot check it. Let's try digital well-being. Even if this does not show anything, so yeah, maybe you can check it somewhere else. Not sure where you can check that, but yes, SELinux is enforcing, and you can also choose that in Aroma installer. And then we have resolution change in settings. So yes, it's now there in OneUI 6.1 as well. As you can see, I have set the resolution to QHD. So yeah, you can do that as well. So that is also fixed. And we have set up wizard. We have data usage not working. So maybe data usage, it's not here right now. If we can just add it. Let's get back to network and connections, data usage. So yeah, I'm not sure if it is recording or something like that. So I'm not sure what was the exact issue. But yes, data usage, it shows like when I turned on my mobile data usage, it has shown, and it will also show you guys that for Wi-Fi as well. Yeah, as you can see, Wi-Fi data usage. So it is obviously recording the data that I'm using right now over Wi-Fi. And there are some other changes that you can check in the change log that are very core changes. And that was it. That was the version 8 changes video. This is kind of a change log, and I'm going to show you what works and what not. So yep guys, that was it. And if you're using OneUI 6.1, I would suggest you guys to try out OneUI 7 right now, because it seems more smoother and better than the OneUI 6.1 in my opinion. And it was more smoother, like obviously it is a heavily upgraded version of OneUI 6.1, and it has some new UI stuff. But yes, it's definitely worth a try on our Galaxy S7, that we get to so much of the latest software from the modern devices. So that was it. I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you did, press the like button. If not, the dislike button. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you guys soon with another video on the Galaxy S7 and the Exynos 8890 series. So that's it. Take care guys, and bye bye. See you soon.